The major scale formula. The major scale is a diatonic scale containing 7 notes. The 7 notes are determined by following a specific series of whole steps and half steps from the root or the 1. The major scale formula is as follows: whole step, half step, whole step, half step. When it comes to building a scale using the major scale formula, C is a good key to start with, as it contains no sharps or flats. Since there is no sharp or flat between E and F and B and C, these two spots conveniently align with the major scale formula, which has half steps between 3 and 4 and 7 and 1. Major scales must always go in alphabetical order. No letters are skipped and no letters are duplicated. This is how a note is determined to be sharp or flat in a key with accidentals. For example, here is the key of G. The 7th note would be F sharp rather than G flat, because you can't skip F, nor can you have 2 G notes in a row within the same scale. Here's the key of F. The 4th note would be B flat rather than A sharp, because you can't skip B, nor can you have 2 A notes in a row within the same scale. Though there are no sharps or flats between B and C and E and F, accidentals can occur where they traditionally do not exist. For example, in the key of F sharp, F becomes E sharp to keep things alphabetical. There also can't be 2 Fs in a row. In the key of G flat, we would have C flat instead of B to maintain alphabetical order. We also can't skip a letter. In addition to F sharp and G flat, this concept also applies to the keys of C sharp and C flat. Note: though they contain different note names, B and C flat qualify as one scale since both are the same exact key pitch-wise. The same is true of F sharp and G flat, and C sharp and D flat. Therefore, there are 12 major scale keys as opposed to 15.